Welcome to the world of true automotive passion. When you own a masterpiece like this, you understand the necessity of perfection. Every curve, every line demands a flawless finish. That mirror-like shine you see? That's the Eco Verde Valeting difference. We understand your time is precious. That's why we bring our bespoke, professional valeting service directly to you. From meticulous interior care to our signature exterior detailing, we treat every element with the respect it deserves. Don't just drive a beautiful car, experience it. For a level of care as exceptional as your vehicle, choose Eco Verde Valeting. Visit ecoverdevaleting.co.uk today and redefine automotive luxury. Every journey begins and ends with style. It's in the details, from the luxurious interior right down to the moment you step out. The moment of arrival, confident, defined, unforgettable. This is the essence of true prestige.